Well, folks, we got our frost. There it is. All ice. So that's going to be the end of the morning glories. But we have the geese coming. Here they come. And there they go. Every morning now. Yep, every morning the geese. Yep, so we got our frost, so we'll say goodbye to the beautiful morning glories. I don't know if the Eve saved them this time, but like they may be done, but I don't know. They still look like they're good. Unless it warms up, but you can see all the frost on the ground where I stepped. So, all right. It's cold out here. 31 degrees. So, we had frost. We had all the sparkles. Yep, black taco got frosted. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the geese fly by, and we'll see you next time.